But there's another interesting thing that Song mentioned is to use AI to further depend more on technology and less on the human efforts that we put in. So now with AI, what I can do is I can type in a prompt, natural language, and it's able to go orchestrate this for me and then go through these thousands of these intents in the back and pick and choose the right intent for me to troubleshoot this problem. You can see some prompts right here. I'm going to use the one that says troubleshooting voice issues. Now, the question that people ask me is that how specific do you want to be in these prompts? And my answer is that I want every engineer to be in the organization to be able to use technology to troubleshoot issues. So if the only thing that I understand from this map is that, hey, looks like there's a voice issue, that's all I have to tell AI. Now it's the AI's job to go in the back, ask NetBrain and say, hey, looks like voice problem. Do you have anything to do with voice? And that's how it's able to go pull hundreds of these intents from the back and run the right ones for me and help me find the root cause. And as you can see some greens and reds. The red will very well tell me that, hey, looks like there is indeed a QoS problem, and it did point out the right problem for me. Okay, this is how interesting this is, and this is how powerful the AI use here is.
So Raj, this looks like, just if I can quickly jump in, is it looks like it's trying to find first is all the different automations and intents that it has access to, finding some relevant ones, right? Running them, summarizing what's been found, and then giving you kind of almost that direct access to the automation, right, in the backend.
Absolutely, Song. And that's what makes this very interactive, because as an end user, I may or may not know exactly what I have in the back. As someone who just consumes information, this becomes my interface, my go-to place where I can interact with NetBrain through the AI. And while it's doing this, and it's going to summarize a lot of things for me, it did. So it did find some QoS packet drops, key findings. It also did find some extra information for me, just in case. Looks like there's a couple services disabled. It found QoS drops. It found a bunch of other things. So it basically wants me to go find out what this problem could be. It's incredible.